Here's a framework I use to generate $1,000 a day from pretty much anywhere in the world. Okay, now I want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper and write this down, because I've been doing this for 16 years. I failed for a very, very long time, years, spent tens of thousands of dollars down the drain, tested all sorts of different business models. So I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money, especially online, all right? And if you've ever wanted to do it, but you don't know how, this video is going to show you how, right? So just model this, and I promise you, if you take action, you're consistent, you work hard at it, you can also get there eventually, all right? So here's a very, very important thing. We want to do it online. We want it to be profitable. We want it to be scalable. We don't want to have to hire 10, 20, 30 people to get to this number, right? And we don't necessarily want to be pushing a boulder up a mountain. We want to keep it as simple as possible so that there aren't 10,000 billion moving parts, which is pretty much what it's like in a lot of businesses online, right? Listen, you can do everything from YouTube automation to Facebook, to Amazon FBA, to drop shipping, to building a social media marketing agency. But all of these business models are expensive. There are a lot of moving parts, and they're very, very difficult to do, all right? Now, the strategy that I'm going to show you right now, the framework, is not that you don't have to do any work. You do. But compared to everything else out there, it is pretty simple, honestly, because you really have to get good at mainly one thing, which is marketing and creating content. We're going to talk about that, all right? So what I eventually learned how to do was sell digital products online. So what we now need to do is we need to find out, okay, how do we get a really good digital product into the hands of somebody that has a problem that they're trying to solve, and we connect them together. So they purchase that product, and then you make a sale. That's how it works, okay? Now, the good thing about this particular model is you don't have to create your own program. Now, you can eventually, and that's what I did later on. But when I first started, and I was doing, $20,000 a month or more at that particular time, right? And if I kept scaling, I could get very easily to $1,000 a day. Is that you can sell somebody else's stuff so that you don't have to waste time creating a program, especially if you're not an expert necessarily in anything yet, okay? And there are lots of networks out there that allow you to pick products, digital products, that will help people to solve their problems. So they're literally training courses, video courses, mentorship, masterminds that will help people to solve a particular problem. And if you can help someone solve that problem, people are willing to spend a lot of money, all right? And that's basically how commerce works, if you think about it, right? People have a problem they're trying to solve. You get a product that's going to help them to solve that problem. You connect them together. You become that connector, right? That's why it's called the connector model. And we're going to focus on digital products. So how does this work? This is the framework, okay? So first, you want to pick a niche. You want to pick an area to specialize in. We're not going to sell 10, 20, 30 different products. That's what a lot of other people like to teach. This is how I got stuck trying to figure out this thing for so long. We want to focus on one thing. Look, if you can't sell one thing correctly and make $10, $20, $30,000 a month, you're not going to be able to sell 10 things, right? So focus. Don't try and sell too many things. You're going to confuse your audience, right? So we want to pick a niche. Health, wealth, relationships are some of the biggest niches. There are thousands of sub-niches within these three. There's so much demand in these three niches that you're not going to go wrong, okay? You can definitely make money because there's volume there. These are the safest ones, I would say, although you can sell in pretty much any niche, right? Once you pick your niche, you want to find your product from one of the big networks out there. You can just Google or AI, what are the top digital networks in the world, and you'll literally get a list of 10 or 20 of them, okay? So any one of them will work. Find the right product in these networks. Now, once you have your product, the next thing we need to do is build out a very simple sales funnel, right? A simple sales sequence. And you can do that using any funnel builder. Again, you can go to Google and type out top funnel builders in the world, okay? And you're going to get a list of 10 or 20, right? I like to use ClickFunnels, but you can use any. You can use Kartra, you can use Lead Pages, you can use System.io, you can use WordPress, you can use Wix. There's so many different ways to do it. Don't overcomplicate this. It's the strategy and the framework that works. It's not necessarily the tool, okay? The tool is going to help you to get there, but it's the framework and strategy that's going to get you to $1,000 a day from anywhere, right? Now, once you build out this sales funnel, essentially, the sales funnel consists of a few pieces. First of all, you need a capture page to capture someone's email address. Okay, that's it. So you have a big promise, a big headline, talking to that direct person, depending on the niche that you're in, helping them to solve the problem that they're trying to solve. That is your main headline. You have an email opt-in form where they can leave their email address to learn how to do it, okay? So someone lands on that page, they enter their email address, and then they go into your sales funnel. Now, the sales funnel, all it is just every single day is just a sequence of videos that provides more value to your audience to teach them one thing every day, okay, on how to solve their problem. So let's just say you're selling a dog training product that's going to teach a brand new dog owner to stop their dogs from peeing on the carpet, from biting the shoes, from pooing on the bed, or pulling when they are walking them down the park, right? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to add one piece of value every single day to teach them how to solve each of these problems. That's it. That's all you're doing. It's really simple. And if you don't have that much information on it, just research it, right? Go to YouTube, go to Google, go to AI, type out how do I solve these problems? And once you learn how to do it, you just create the content and build it into the funnel. It's actually not that complicated, right? Then what you want to do is you want to connect your capture page to your funnel using an email autoresponder. Again, there's so many email autoresponders in the market. It's not a big deal. Just Google and ask ChatGPT what are the best autoresponders in the market. I like to use GetResponse, but you can use Aweber, you can use Kartra. There's so many out there. You're gonna get a list of like 50. Right? Choose any of the top 5 if you want. They've got different prices there. And all you're doing is you're linking your capture page to your funnel to email people every single day. Now, the whole point of this is to create automation, right? We want to be able to speak to our audience without necessarily emailing people manually every day. We want to do it automatically as much as possible, okay? So that is your base framework, right? You've got your niche, you've got your product, you've got your little sales funnel, and you have a way to send people through a specific process to build a relationship with them. Now, I want to mention something really clear on this. Most people will not teach you doing it this way, and this is why a lot of people fail and they don't make money online. What they'll teach you to do instead is, instead of adding value and teaching people, a little bit every single day about how to solve their problems, what people will tell you to do is they'll tell you to sell them. Right? So they'll tell you to keep selling your product, keep dropping your link to your affiliate digital product that you chose, like the dog training product. Just keep emailing them that link, and then it sends them to a sales page, and then eventually they buy. That's not what's going to happen. Okay, I tried that for 8 years. I spent over $50,000 trying to do that, and I failed. I went broke. I had to find a job again. It was not great. Okay, so I'm going to save you years of heartache and tens of thousands of dollars in testing and tweaking, and just trust me on this. Build it the way I just mentioned. Do not sell, add value instead. When you sell, people don't want to buy from you. They kind of shy away. If you add value, it opens people up. It builds trust. People get to like you and know you, and that's how they transact and buy the thing that you're recommending. Okay? I hope that makes sense, right? Now you got your framework. You're adding lots of value. You're capturing people's emails. How do you find people in the first place? Because now you have to fill your selling system, right, with people who are interested in dog training or whatever you decide to choose to sell in, all right? So now we got to get attention. Now, there are many ways to get attention, but I like to do it for free on social media. I think it's one of the best ways. Now, it's going to take a bit of time because you have to build up, right? But think about where people hang out. Everybody hangs out on all the social media platforms, right? Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, right? All you have to do is get good at one or two of these places to get exposure, right? So I like Instagram, I like TikTok, I like Facebook, I like YouTube, right? You're on YouTube right now, okay? So what I do is I do the exact same thing. I find the problems in their space, and then I help them to solve problems, and I upload 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of content every single day on all of these platforms. You can choose 1 or 2 to start, right? And this is where it's going to take the longest time, right? Because you have to get good at it, okay? You have to learn that platform and learn to go viral. It's not that hard. You just have to invest a little bit of time in learning how to leverage that particular platform. So if you're doing it on Instagram, you got to learn how to get good on Instagram. If you're doing it on TikTok, you have to learn how to get good on TikTok. And the way that I did it was I found a mentor in TikTok. I found a mentor on Instagram. I found a mentor on YouTube. They're all different, okay? So once you learn how to get good, it's all about creating good content that people will want to learn and watch about on that particular niche or topic, and then you go viral. Now, once you go viral, you start getting thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of views per video, right? It's going to be shown to people all over the world that are interested in that topic, okay? And some people that are not interested in that topic, but it doesn't matter, right? The people that are interested in, for example, dog training, weight loss, building, businesses online, whatever it is, they'll watch your content. They're like, oh, this is interesting. Oh, I didn't know that I could solve my problem this way. To get more information, they click on your link. It sends them to the capture page where they can leave the email address. They enter the email address. They get followed up with by your autoresponder, and then they go through your valuable sales funnel. They'll build a relationship with you over time. And in every single day, you're going to then at the end recommend the product that you're trying to sell, which is your affiliate link to the digital product that you want to sell that you found from the network right at the beginning, okay? And a certain percentage of people that come through that process will end up buying. It's usually 3 to 5 to 10%, depending on how well you've structured and executed your simple selling system, okay? So now, once you've set this up, the name of the game is just to create content on the front end. You don't have to touch the selling system anymore because it's complete. You built it once, you just leave it alone, right? And now you just focus all your time on creating content to get more and more eyeballs, more people to see you on the front end. And that's all about creating content consistently on the social platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and Snapchat. And that's it. And literally, this is the framework that I use to generate $1,000, sometimes more, a day. And you can do the exact same thing, all right? Now, once you get good at this, it gets really fun because now you're online, you can create content from anywhere in the world. You can travel as long as you have your laptop, your phone, and a Wi-Fi connection, which you will have, all right, all over the world because you're going to be roaming or using Wi-Fi. You can just run your business literally from any country, any town, any village, any lake, any mountain. If you're snowboarding or skiing, that's what I do on a regular basis because I love snowboarding, right? And you can literally run a really amazing business, okay? Now, don't take this lightly. I want you to save this video and watch this again and again, right? If you focus on what I just mentioned here, I promise you, this can get you very, very far. But you have to do it the way that I mentioned, okay? And you have to be consistent and you have to be willing to take action and build this out, all right? Because consistency and willing to stretch and grow and do difficult things is what's really going to get you to $1,000 a day or more. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you crush it. All right. Make sure you subscribe to the channel where I talk about building businesses and generating more money with digital products every single day. And if you want the step-by-step and you really want to learn how to do this, you want to get into the weeds of this, I have a mastermind that you can check out right below in the description. See you there.